Hey, this is Scott S. here, with another video on affiliate marketing. So you were wondering how to get started in affiliate marketing, building an email list, and creating a blog or a website? Well, keep watching this video. I have some links down below to help you get started. I want to point out that getting started is easy, but it takes passion and hard work. As they say, hard work always pays off. On with the show, enjoy. How to start an email list for affiliate marketing. This guide will walk you through the steps to set up and use an email list to get the most out of your affiliate marketing efforts. Choose an email service provider. The first step to setting up an email list for affiliate marketing is to choose an email service provider. Many different options are available, so take the time to research to find one that meets your needs. Look at features such as list size, segmentation, autoresponders, and pricing. Create a landing page. The next step is to create a landing page on your website to serve as the entry point for your email list. It should include an opt-in form encouraging people to sign up for your list. You should also have an offer, such as a discount or freebie, to incentivize people to join. Promote your landing page. Here are some landing pages websites: ConvertKit, Unbounce, Lead Pages, and I use GetResponse. Once you've set up your landing page, you'll need to promote it. This can be done through social media, blogging, email newsletters, and other online marketing methods. Make sure to track the success on how to start a website or blog and the benefits of having one along with landing pages. Creating a website or blog is easier and cheaper than ever before. You can be up and running with your domain name and hosting with a few clicks. You can even get started for free with platforms like WordPress or Blogger. The benefits of having a website or blog include increasing visibility and exposure, building credibility and trust, and establishing a platform for your ideas, products, and services. Creating a landing page is also a great way to capture leads, grow your email list, and convert visitors into customers. It's a great way to introduce people to your brand, explain the value of your products and services, and drive conversions. And last but least, here are a few jobs you can get started. I made a list here. 1. Freelance sites. 2. Job boards. 3. Social media platforms. 4. Networking. 5. Virtual assistant services. 6. Professional organizations. 7. Directly contact companies. 8. Crowdsourcing platforms. 9. Content mills. 10. Online tutoring. I will be making a video all about landing pages and breaking them down, so it will be easier to find the right landing pages that will not break the bank and help you to start on the path to success. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the following video.